Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. One of two men who engaged the police during a break-in along Beckford Street in downtown Kingston early this morning has been shot and killed. Another suspect was shot and injured. Police say a car that was awaiting the thieves drove off during the encounter. Kirk Wright reports.
Store owner Carl Whitaker has been bombarded by calls asking about the burglary at his establishment along Beckford Street, Winnie's Wholesale. He said he received a call at 4:30 about the breaking.
From all indication, they use chop saw to cut off my grill, cut off the locks off my grill, and remove items from my store. Magnum tonic wine, Arizona, rum, all kind of liquor. Then they went to my aunt's clothes store and removed Reebok sneakers, Reebok, Adidas, Aeropostale slippers, Nike, all the high original slippers.
Commanding officer for the Kingston Central Police Division, Superintendent Beresford Williams, says the police went to the wholesale after getting a call at 10 minutes past 5.
Upon arrival, they were greeted with resistance when one of the men opened gunfire. The fire was returned and two men sustained injuries, one fatally. The second man was transported to the hospital where he's being treated for his injury. One firearm along with ammunition was recovered.
The police say some of the loot from the store has been recovered. Mr. Whitaker recorded a video of what he saw at the store this morning. He says burglary in the business district has become commonplace.
A couple of Chinaman shops has been breached from last year, and it's getting worse and worse every day. I have some guys, they don't want to work, but they want to wear nice stuff. So they wait until you lock up your establishment, and then they try to get inside, and in the nights. They tried to go in there last November by trying to use a crowbar, but they didn't gain entry. So it looked like them come back more armed with things to get into the shop, which is like the chop saw, cut off because they couldn't breach the locks.
However, he's adamant that break-ins won't stop him from continuing his business, but he thinks greater citizen participation can help.
It's just that I have to be more vigilant and try to secure my place more properly, but I try to make it harder for them to get in.
Meanwhile, the dead man has been identified only by his alias Juki. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, two unidentified men were gunned down in Bayshore, Harbourview, St. Andrews shortly after midday this afternoon. Police say one of them who tried to escape was also cornered and killed. Spent shell casings from two different firearms were found on the scene. The police are yet to determine a motive for the killing.